your video, why I'm sharing this is because after the 5 days, yes, you will have your 3 minutes video. After you have your 3 minutes video, I'm just checking on the time, yeah. After you have your 3 minutes video, so what's next? Okay, now when you're on LinkedIn, it's a profit maximizer and it's a power network. A lot of you are not in LinkedIn, or you are, but you're silent. You have to get into there. Do not worry and say, but Jamuna, I'm not working in a corporate organization, or I'm not employed by somebody. It's my small business that I'm doing. No, the more you need to go in there because you are the industry expert. Next, YouTube. This is where you post your video for monetization and affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means that, referral marketing, where you can market other people can market you. When you are popular, you get all your advertisement paid, but that's a long run. I'm not there yet also, all right? So I'm learning together. Next is Facebook, income machine, and it's a recurring income. Now, if you ask me, I would say that someone who's 20 years younger to me said that, oh, they are not into Facebook anymore. Then I asked why. Then she said, oh, because our father, mother, my uncle, auntie, everyone is in Facebook now. So for those who are very active in Facebook posting and all, is actually the older generation. That's me, that's us, some of us. So, well, you can still be there. Like today, we created a group community, right? So what you need to know, ladies, is that just watch me, watch how I'm doing everything. The moment you have your 3 minutes video, you need to have your own Facebook community. All right. Okay, join me in. Okay, now let me just finish on Instagram. Instagram is a brand accelerator and influencer marketing. All your Insta stories, you're actually promoting whatever that you're doing. Now, do not mistaken me. If you're selling sari, that doesn't mean that every day you take a picture of your sari and you upload. No. If you're selling sari, you can start writing about the types of sari. You can say different ways of tying sari, or you can say, unique ways of using sari for some function, or how non-Indians are using sari. So think of a way. So these are all the channels available, and I would suggest for today is that you need to create your online presence. All right, you need to really create your online presence. Okay, now and then I'm going to create another link and put it in our Facebook group. All right, guys. Okay, so let's just wait here, and we could let's see how many minutes we have now. Where do I see the how many minutes? All right, now can you please just unmute yourself if you would like to say something before we end the call, or what else are you anything? Okay, let me just anyone. Okay, Rubini, I thank you so much. You have actually, oh, you are Lavanya Suresh. I was thinking, who is this girl, new girl joining? So she's using her daughter's account. That's why this video session is only for the women, because we all have all this issue. Rubini, thank you so much for sending in your first video submission. Can you share your quick experience with us?
Yeah, hi, and I'm sorry I didn't have time to edit it, but I thought we are here to learn. So I just shared a raw recording of what I took. And I hope with the sessions that we have, I will be able to improve and do something that is more presentable.
All right, thank you, Rubini. Thank you. Okay, anyone else would like to do a short introduction about themselves? Chitra? Would you like to introduce yourself, Chitra?
Hi, ladies. How are you all? My name is Chitra.
Hi, Chitra. Fine.
My name is Chitra. I'm actually I'm a travel agent by profession. So you all know what it is like to be a travel agent in the present in a pandemic situation. But of course, there are many other opportunities, and I'm sure we can go ahead with the vast opportunities available. We can enhance ourselves. So this what Jamuna is doing now is a great thing for the women, and I wish her all the best, and I hope all of you all can benefit from it.
All right, thank you, Chitra. Okay, I'm going to stop the session here. And now you would have a homework after today's session. That is your first 30 seconds video, which you need to record and upload in the group. Guys, I would be personally looking at the video, and I've already given feedback to Rubini. If you're okay, because it's a closed group, I will be giving feedback in the comments. But if you think that, I'm not so comfortable, then you cannot feel uncomfortable anymore. You need to feel comfortable, all right? Look at my hair. It's also frizzy. It doesn't matter. This is my hair, all right? It's just you, your content, and just be so proud of the video that you are doing, all right? So I'm going to end the call now, and I'm going to create another link, so I will continue with the session that's going to start at 8:45, all right? Thank you all. See you. And meanwhile, you have 15 minutes break. Think of your the video that you're going to do, an introduction that you're going to do about yourself, the 30 seconds, that how you're going to do your video. Just prepare that at the back of your mind, or you can even take your phone and do recording and upload quickly in the Facebook, so when we come back, we can all look at it together. All right? Okay, thank you. 15 minutes break, and I will see you at 8:45. Thank you, guys. Bye.